Most people don't fail at building good habits because they're lazy. They fail because they try to start at the wrong moment.
Motivation isn't the problem. Discipline isn't the problem. The problem is how you begin. You wake up one day feeling inspired. You decide to change everything. And a few days later, you're back where you started.
Not because you don't care, but because your system is working against you.
What if improving your life didn't require more effort, but better timing? In this video, I'll show you 5 habit stacking ideas that fit naturally into your day.
Even if you feel tired, busy, or unmotivated. And some of them might feel almost too easy. That's the point. Habit stacking means adding a very small habit right after something you already do every single day.
No motivation, no forcing yourself, no dramatic lifestyle changes. You simply attach a new action to an existing habit that already happens automatically.
Your brain likes that because it doesn't feel like starting from zero. Let's begin with the easiest one. After you brush your teeth, do 10 squats. That's it. You already brush your teeth every morning without thinking about it. So when you finish brushing, don't negotiate with yourself. Don't plan a workout. Don't aim for perfection.
Just squat 10 times. This takes less than 20 seconds.
You're not exercising. You're reminding your body, that it can move. This tiny action increases blood flow, wakes up your nervous system,
and gives you a quick win before your day really starts.
It feels small to it, and that's exactly why it works. If this already feels doable, stay with me. The next one helps you focus. While your coffee or tea is brewing, write down one important task for today. Not a long to-do list. Not everything you should do. Just one thing that would make today feel successful if you completed it. You're already waiting for your drink anyway. Instead of scrolling, you use that short moment to decide what actually matters. This habit reduces overwhelm because your brain stops juggling 10 priorities at once. One clear target is easier to hit, and once you finish that task, everything else feels lighter. Now let's move to something most people overlook. After you open your laptop, clean one small digital thing. Delete one file. Close one unnecessary tab. Rename one folder. That's all. A messy digital space creates mental noise, even if you don't consciously notice it. This habit is not about being organized. It's about creating clarity. When your screen feels calmer, your mind follows. And because this habit takes only a few seconds, your brain doesn't resist it. You start working without friction. The next habit happens at night and helps your brain slow down. Right before you turn off the lights, think of one thing you're grateful for today. It doesn't have to be deep. It doesn't have to be impressive. It can be something small, a quiet moment, a good meal, or finishing one task. Your brain carries its final thoughts into your sleep. Ending the day with gratitude lowers stress and improves sleep quality. One thought is enough to shift your emotional state. Now the last habit stack uses something most people already do too much. Before you press play on a YouTube video, take one sip of water. Not a full glass, not a reminder app. Just one sip. This habit doesn't interrupt your behavior. It rides along with it.
Over time, these small sips add up, supporting your energy, your focus, and your overall health. It's almost invisible cranes, and that's why it sticks. Now here's the most important part. Do not try to do all 5 habits at once. That's how people fail. Choose one habit stack, just one. Stick with it for 7 days. If it feels almost stupidly easy, you're doing it right.
You are not trying to transform your life overnight. You are teaching your brain that change doesn't have to hurt. Real progress comes from small actions repeated consistently. You're not rebuilding your life. You're placing one small brick. And tomorrow, you place another.
In the next video, I'll show you how to create your own habit stack based on your personal routine.
Even if your schedule is messy and unpredictable, if you want to improve your life without forcing yourself, subscribe.